We are here live at Cedarwood Estate Phase 3. As you can see, the estate internal access road is undergoing construction. The estate is now drivable. This is very beautiful. As you can see, the access road which can enable our clients drive into the estate has been completed. This is simply incredible. At the foreground is the estate gatehouse, currently undergoing construction. Our contractors are working here on site to bring up the gatehouse to aesthetic perfection and completion. At Cedarwood Estate, we are committed to delivering value and making land and home ownership dream a reality for all.